Hey guys, so today your girl is back with another video. Today I'm here with my second hair video here on YouTube. If you haven't seen my first one, it is up here. I don't know if it's this side or this side, it's up here. I'll leave a link, and it was pretty much just talking about my views on relaxers and just telling you what my thoughts on it. And because I'm a girl who has, you know, relaxers, and so I was just giving my opinions on it and just, you know, opinions, thoughts, and stuff like that. But in today's video, I will be showing you my favorite hair care products for relaxed hair. I actually just washed my hair. Right now, it's like a good 80% dry. I let it air dry. There are days that I actually use a blow dryer, and then there's days that I use a hair dryer. So this is what my hair looks like after it is fully washed. I'll give you an overview. So this right here is how my hair looks like. Right now I am currently, I think, about 4 weeks. Is it 4 weeks? Yeah, about like 4 weeks post relaxer, and this is like my favorite time. Usually like within the first like 2 weeks your hair looks like really thin, because obviously you just got, you know, a relaxer done, so your hair looks really thin. And then after time goes by, that's when like the true volume of your hair starts to show, right before your roots start to grow out. My hair kind of grows somewhat fast, so as of right now I have very minimal growth within the edges, but it's nothing that I will have to go get a relaxer. I like to stretch out my relaxers as much as possible and pretty much have as few as possible. And so let me stop blabbering and talking, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so if you're wondering what relaxer I use, I don't relax my own hair. I have someone who does it for me. I'll put the container of what the relaxer looks like, and this is the relaxer I use. And then after the relaxer is done, as far as shampooing and conditioning my hair, I am a really huge fan of the Pantene Truly Relaxed Hair with cocoa butter. Not cocoa butter, with coconut and jojoba. I think that's how you pronounce it. Oil. It's a moisturizing conditioner. It moisturizes, softens, and relaxes hair. I've been through my fair share of shampoos and conditioner for my hair, and a lot of times all the shampoo and conditioners always dry my hair out. It leaves my hair feeling really disgusting, and it never works for me. But I keep going back to this one because this one seems like the only one that truly gives my hair that soft feeling right after I wash it. It feels hydrated. It doesn't feel crispy. And because we are putting a lot of, if you have a relaxer, we're putting a lot of chemicals in our hair. This right here, if you have not tried it, I highly recommend it. This, my conditioner, I condition my hair a lot more than I shampoo. Like there's a lot of product in here. In here, it's practically empty. So highly recommend these two. I actually use 2 brushes to detangle my hair. So currently I am using these 2 brushes right here to detangle my hair. This is just a, you know, your regular detangling brush. So this one right here, I use it when my hair is wet and I'm out the shower. And then this wide tooth comb, I use it when I'm in the shower. And the reason why I like this more than the other one is because, like I said, it is a wide tooth comb. But also, if you could see right here, there are 2 sides. There's one side and here's the other side, and then there's like a gap in the middle. So each comb, I feel like it, when it comes to like going through my hair, it detangles my hair beautifully. And another thing for me, depending on how my hair is, I usually don't, like, I'll comb out my hair before I wash it. When I'm shampooing, I don't comb out my hair. I just shampoo once, do it, put in a deep, either a deep conditioner or a regular conditioner. I put it in my hair. I let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I use this comb to pretty much just detangle my hair. Like, as you can see, it just goes through your hair so smoothly. There's no snags. It's honestly, this is by far, I feel like, the best purchase I've ever made when it comes to my hair. And then this one, when I'm blow drying my hair, if you don't have that extra extension, you know, like the comb to the comb extension for your blow dryer, this works just as well. I literally just put it right underneath it like that. I put the blow dryer directly to it, and then I just blow dry that way, and it makes blow drying go by so fast. So if you don't have one, as you can see, mine is beat up. I've been using it. You can find this and this at any beauty supply store, though I feel like I got this one at Walmart. And so yeah, if you need 2 combs, these will be your savior. Also, the Pantene, these ones, I can't find this at my Walmart. I used to be able to find it at my CVS, and now they don't carry it anymore. And so I get mine now at my local beauty supply store, since they just finally got it in stock. I used to also get it at Target, but I feel like Target stopped selling it because I don't see it anymore. Like, correct me down below if that's not it, but yeah, so that's where you could find this. And I'm pretty sure you can get it online somewhere. I'm not really sure, but when I find out, I'll put it in the link down below as well. Okay, so I do use a leave-in conditioner. It ran out, and then I thought, to be my smart ass, thought that I should try another leave-in conditioner. It turned out to be terrible, and so I haven't gotten the chance to go to the store and get another one. But my favorite leave-in conditioner, I'll put it right up here, but it's also from this same brand, the Cream of Nature brand. The one thing about the leave-in conditioner, it leaves your hair smelling amazing, like literally amazing. And also I use this Cream of Nature argan oil and Moroccan oil creamy oil moisturizing hair lotion as well. Once I'm done blow drying, once I'm done doing everything, like right now, I'm about to put this in, and it moisturizes the hair beautifully. So this is what, as far as heat protectant goes, I love the Tresemme one. That's for if I'm ever straightening or curling my hair. I rarely ever put heat directly on this hair. That's why I get weaves a lot. So if I ever want curls or something, I can just put the weave on. But as far as if I ever feel the need to actually straighten my hair or curl it, I will be using this. I usually don't really care about my edges that much. But as far as edge control goes, I also use the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfecting Edges, and the Eco Styling Gel in, I think, is this the regular one? Or no, in olive oil. I use this one mainly if I'm doing like a tight ponytail, because my hair is relaxed. I try not to touch it as much as possible, but within the first month, if you're usually not supposed to get any sort of box braids or weaves or anything along those lines within the first month of post relaxer. So one thing I use as a sort of like a protective style, is like I usually buy one of those long ponytails from the beauty supply store. I sleek this all the way back, and I use this. This right here, it makes sleeking back your hair so easy, like extremely easy. So if you haven't used this, I definitely say go for it. Something that I do love, let's say like right now, since I am not using a leave-in conditioner, one thing that I like using on my hair to keep it smooth is this Infusium the Infusium Professional Treatment Soothing Cream. It says it's supposed to repair, renew with argan oil and keratin. I just put like 2-3 pumps of this into my hand, and then I distribute it like from root to tip. and it works pretty good. It works just as well as a leave-in conditioner, but I prefer an actual leave-in conditioner, so I definitely have to go get one. I didn't actually use it today, so I'll do it right now. Like I said, do this 1, 2, 3 pumps, rub it in my hands, and massage it in my hair. So that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button down below. Make sure to stay tuned for more videos. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below your favorite products for your relaxed hair. And oh, also, if you're not subscribed to my vlog channel with me and my boyfriend Glenn, subscribe. We are currently about to film another video right after this, and it is about to be so funny. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.